The Osmo Dash Cam Pro is a vehicle camera system that records front and rear views while driving. Proper installation ensures clear footage and safe placement without obstructing the driver's view. This tutorial outlines the steps to mount the camera, connect power, and verify functionality. What the Dashcam does. The Dashcam continuously records video while the vehicle is running. Footage is saved to a microSD card and can be used for security, accident documentation, or driving review. Some models include both front and rear cameras for full coverage. Steps to install the Dashcam. First, insert a microSD card into the memory card slot on the Dashcam. Push it in gently until you hear or feel a small click, ensuring the card is locked in place and ready for recording. Choose a spot on the windshield for installation. Before attaching the mount, wipe the glass with a clean cloth to remove dust or grease. A clean surface helps the mount stick properly and prevents it from falling later. Attach the suction mount to the Dashcam, then press the mount firmly against the windshield. Position the camera behind the rearview mirror or in a location that does not block the driver's view. Adjust the angle so the camera clearly captures the road ahead. Connect the car charger cable to the Dashcam's power port, then plug the other end into the vehicle's 12-volt power outlet. Arrange the cable neatly along the edge of the windshield and dashboard so it does not hang loosely or interfere while driving. If the model includes a rear camera, install it on the back windshield in a position that provides a wide, clear view behind the car. Connect the rear camera cable to the main Dashcam unit and run the wire along the car's interior. Testing and usage. Once everything is connected, start the vehicle. The Dashcam should power on automatically and begin recording. When the car is turned off, the Dashcam will usually shut down on its own. The power button can also be used to turn it on or off manually. After installation, check the screen preview to confirm that both front and rear cameras are recording properly. The Dashcam relies on the vehicle's 12-volt outlet for power. Some users may need to unplug the camera manually in such cases. This device is best suited for drivers who want continuous recording for safety and security purposes. Conclusion. Installing the Osmo Dash Cam Pro involves inserting a microSD card, mounting the front camera on the windshield, connecting power, and optionally installing a rear camera. Once properly positioned and connected, the Dashcam powers on automatically with the vehicle and records both front and rear views. Checking the screen preview confirms correct operation.